Hi, you are on the Elin Trader channel. Glad to see everyone. Today I'll show one of the most effective strategies that I personally use. It's a combo of RSI and MACD indicators, plus full technical analysis to filter out false signals. If you want more strategies, signals, training and the ability to copy my trades, join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. Just message me on Telegram and I'll give you access. Now, let's begin. Today we are using a strategy based on two powerful indicators. RSI shows overbought and oversold levels. Below 30 means the market is oversold and a possible move up. Above 70 means overbought and a possible move down. Now we add the indicators. First RSI, here it is. We set it up. RSI is now around 50, so the market is in the middle range. There were spikes closer to 70, which suggest a possible move down. You can see that here on the indicator. Next, we add MACD. This is a trend strength indicator. It gives signals based on line crossover. If MACD crosses the signal line up, it's a buy. If it crosses down, it's sell. The RSI and MACD combo gives very accurate entry points. I use these indicators often. We add MACD. Now we can see everything. I'm using the 1 hour time frame. The indicators are set. We see signs of a possible move down, but the price is fluctuating. Now let's switch to the 1 minute time frame. You can see RSI around 50, slightly below. There is a small downwards crossover, which suggests a sell. Our indicators are ready. This strategy shows an average win rate of about 70–85%, especially with technical analysis. Now I'll do the technical analysis and open several trades live. Let's analyze the pair. There is a slight downtrend. There were spikes up and now the situation is stabilizing. You can see the indicators changing. RSI is moving towards 70 again. On the 1 minute view, we can consider a buy. On the 1 hour view, we look at the overall trend. You see some level in here. I think price will move toward this area. Let me check the second by second impulse. Yes, there is an impulse. We see bullish candles. On the 1 minute view, everything is moving as expected. Price is pulsing upward. RSI moved above 50 and we have a buy crossover. We can open a buy trade. Everything points upward. This candle looks like a small false breakout. We don't judge by one candle. It's shrinking now. I expect further movement up. I personally expect price to move towards this upper level. I'll draw a line here. I'm waiting the price here. The price is turning in our favor. We don't rush to close. We entered based on indicators and technical analysis. As you can see, price is moving in our direction, and we closed with a solid profit. Everything works. Let's move to the second currency pair. The indicators stay the same. We focus on this strategy. What do we see here? RSI reached 50, there was a drop to 30. Remember, 30 means oversold, so we look for buys. Now price is stabilizing and starting to move up. MACD is below, no crossover yet, but price may move towards this level. We can consider buying. We said 30 and waiting for the impulse to slow down. Don't rush. We can wait as long as needed. We are analyzing the pair. There is a downward tendency. I expect consolidation, so now we see upward movement. There were sharp candles down, but price didn't reach the bottom. We can open a buy now. We watch. I think price will reach this level soon, then possibly reverse and fall again. The indicators suggest that. You see the price line hovering around 50. There was a drop, now it's moving up. I think we'll close in profit. All we need are indicators and technical analysis. That's the essence of the strategy. RSI shows levels, MACD shows crossover, and we consider the overall trend. We don't rely only on the chart or only on indicators, we use everything together. Our order is closing now. Waiting. A good profit. In a short time, we made a solid amount. The chart showed a downtrend with corrective volatility. We expected a move up. Indicators confirmed it, and the overall chart confirmed it. On the 1 hour time frame, the trend is down, but price reached the bottom and may correct upward. It's not breaking lower, so our conclusion was correct. Now we move to the third currency pair. There was a drop, now price is moving up. We see a small correction, the K is timing. RSI didn't reach 70, we can open a buy and wait. Price is slowly moving up. Everything works together. Don't forget, we don't use only indicator. Technical analysis is essential. You must understand the chart. Without that, nothing works. I think there may be a small pullback, but overall price will go up. We have enough time. The candle will move up. We are trading with the trend, using indicators and the chart. The trend is bullish and all signs point up. I think we will close in profit. You can see the total amount is already good. I'll show a couple more trades and the strategy will be clear. What's important? This is a strategy using two indicators that big players also use. RSI and MACD are widely used. Don't overload your chart with indicators, it becomes a mess. 2 or 3 indicators maximum. I personally use only 2 and add technical analysis. Let's check the impulse here and maybe open another trade. There is a small downward impulse. We can open a buy a bit lower. Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm watching RSI near 50. It's a good moment. I think in a few seconds price will reach this area and then move up. Long wicks confirm this. We are trading with the trend. Price didn't even reach lower levels and is about to reverse. I think we made the right decision. This big candle doesn't mean much. We don't panic. We watch the situation. There was a small downward crossover, but it didn't fully cross. Now price should reverse. Everything points to a reversal. It's moving slowly. Using two indicators and technical analysis is very effective. You can see it yourself. Price hit the bottom and then shot up. We got a good profit. Why? Because indicators showed a buy. That small downward false breakout meant nothing. We followed the trend, indicators, and technical analysis. Let's open one more trade on this pair. We see indicators below 50, close to 30, suggesting a sell. But I'm not rushing. I still prefer a buy. I wait for RSI to level near 50. Now it's getting there. And we open and wait. Price is slowly rising. I usually trade with the trend. I don't chase single candles. That's my strategy. Indicators now show a slight sell signal, but we don't jump to conclusions. We still have time. We stay with the trend. You see the candle shrinking. Yeah, I think it will break upward. You need to understand momentum. I advise trading with the trend. Even if you get some losing trades, you can recover. You see, we recovered here. Now let's choose another pair. On the 1 hour time frame we see a small drop. I think price can reach this level. RSI is below 50, suggesting a sell. Let's look the 1 minute time frame. We can open a sell here. We open. Logically, price should move towards this bottom. It's moving well. Price is clearly heading toward this level, then possibly a reversal upward. Indicators and charts support this. RSI is near 30. This move down low looks strong. We will close soon. Based on indicators and the overall trend, price reached the level. Our trade is closing, 3 candles in a row. As you can see, 5 successful trades in a row. This shows how it works. Always use everything together. Indicators and technical analysis give a clear picture. Now I'll show how to withdraw and we will wrap up the video. Click on balance and here withdrawal. Here's my address. The amount is 1.5. That's our profit. I'll check my email. On my phone, I enter the PIN. Done. It takes a couple of minutes and money arrives. I confirm that the funds are already with me. I'm glad you watched this video. We reviewed a strategy using 2 indicators and technical analysis and closed many trades. All our trades closed in profit. I'm glad you were with me today. See you next time. Bye!